Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse your browsers as well as the Google Play Store on NOKIA X10. So here, if we try to download anything from our Google Play Store, here let's go with Call of Duty Mobile for example, hit the install, but it changes to the panic mode and won't start the actual download. The same is with Google Chrome, which is my browser. If you're using a different one, there should be, or at least if you have the same problem, and yeah, nothing works. So here we can fix it by opening our settings, then moving to the system, date and time, and enable to use network provided time. Here, if we try to download this game again from our Google Play Store, it should work fine. You might need to restart your Google Play Store if it doesn't. And go for the Google Chrome, reload the page, and also it works just fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.